In this video, I am going to show you how to file boxes by 5. Okay, let's start. I will be using small boxes. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is a file by 5. You can use also the other way. So we are going to file by 5 the other way. Let's start. We're gonna do this and this and this and this. That is also a file by 5.